What's going on, guys? Christian here from CK Wraps. So as you can see behind me, I've stripped the Jeep Gladiator down and I'm rewrapping it. I'm rewrapping it in Hexis titanium chrome. Super excited about this new finish and color on the car, or on the Jeep. It's gonna be amazing. I wanna give a huge shout out to Zach and John over at Scorpion Coatings, Scorpion Window Films. They hooked this up. They got me expedited shipping. I got it like the next day. I ordered it with them. Great service, great communication back and forth. I had a couple of questions, and pricing. So shipping from the US to Canada, I can't even believe I got this like next day. Again, things could probably get held up at customs if that were to happen. Not really their fault or anyone else's fault. Things do happen sometimes, but yeah, it came next day. So I mean, there's no reason really why they would hold up a roll of vinyl. I'm gonna put a link to their business in the description below, since they were such a huge help to me. If you're looking to buy Hexis or any of their films, they have it, okay? Not a lot of people, or not a lot of distributors carry Hexis, so Hexis isn't very commonly used in North America, simply because I think it's like accessibility is the main thing. You don't really know where to get it. So again, a link to where to get Hexis in the description below from Scorpion Films. John and Zach will help you out, they're amazing. Now, Hexis is one of those films that is like, they've got a huge array of colors, made in France. So it's well made. I know that it is. I've been using it for years. I just don't use it very often. Again, it's one of those things for me where it's hard to actually find or hard to get access to. Even here in like Toronto, I'm usually waiting like 7, 8 days, business days to get a roll in. While these guys got one out to me in a day. So that's pretty impressive. The fact that they even actually had it and had access to it right away, it was amazing. So again, if you're looking for that kind of stuff, huge color selection. Amazing finishes, different stuff. Not what you're used to, okay? If you're used to using Avery and 3M, Hexis is different, like Oracle is different, like Vivid is different. Everybody is different, okay? Some people complain about it being sticky, especially the chrome. I know the chrome is sticky, but I like the chrome, and I would be more willing to challenge myself as far as a difficult install goes to get a clearer finish product in the end. I'm always, for me personally, I go for the finish. I don't go for like the ease of install. I'd rather it be the hardest material in the world to use and have the nicer finish in the end. It's also going to challenge your ability and your skills in the end, which is going to help develop you as a wrapper in the end. I'm going to do some videos on this, but I'm going to give you a little walk around of what the truck or what the Jeep looks like right now and sort of where I've left the inlays. So this is my beast right here. Love this thing. I've got everything stripped down. As you can see, I'm probably going to take off the footstep thing. I don't even know if I like them that much, but you can see in between each one of these little spots right here, I've left a satin black inlay. Along the bottom pinch weld underneath the footstep, I've also left an inlay. Behind the bed, I've left all that because I don't want to wrap behind the bed. My own car, right? You can do it in gloss black. Just black in general is good. I could have done it in gloss black, sure, but whatever. Satin black. I'm going to overlap it a little bit with the chrome anyway, so you won't really see it. It'll end up going around the back. It's just mainly to cover the black. A little bit down here behind the bumper. I don't feel like removing the bumper. It's really heavy. Same thing on this side. Same thing down the other side of the Jeep as well. I didn't leave too much. Obviously, I'm going to leave the jams for the most part right now. I've got everything all over the place. This thing's in 100+ pieces right now. There's the hood. There's a couple of fenders over there. I'm going to actually, sorry, there's the roof. There's the hood. There's the roof. I'm going to actually try to wrap these right here. I want to. They're textured, but I want to wrap them. I know the film will stick because I did a test piece. I just don't know, maybe down the road they might bubble up. That's a possibility, okay? So when we do wrap textured plastics, we never know if they're going to sort of gas out. Hood still's got to be stripped down. There's some doors over there. Those won't get wrapped. And then here's all my doors just sitting on the floor over here on pads. I've got some of the hinges off. I've got to take off all the wrap still. Grill above the window or below the window grill type thing, front grill, then there's another fender over there. But we're pretty much ready to rock right now. I'm about to start wrapping, and we're going to do some awesome videos on this because I'm excited to see what it's going to look like when it's done. I'm excited to show you guys what a titanium chrome Jeep Gladiator is going to look like. So again, stay tuned to see what this comes out as. I'm going to do some how-to videos. I'll talk about my experience with the product, and it's just some things that I've learned along the way from using Hexis Chrome and how to use it. The hood will be slightly challenging. I'm not sure if it's exceeding 54 inches because the titanium super chrome is only 54 inches. It's an inch taller than Avery, so you get a little bit more there. It's also, as a full roll, longer than Avery. So we're at, I think it's 27 meters. It's about 81 feet, okay? So with Avery, you get 75. and you get 53 inches. Hexis, you get 54 inches, and you get 81 feet, extra 6 feet. That's like an extra hood right there, or roof or something like that. So that's pretty beneficial actually, and it costs less. And the film is much clearer. So you get this really crystal clear looking chrome, very minimal orange peel. And I think that has a lot to do with some of the release liner that they use. They use like a plastic release liner. Nobody else is doing that. PPF does that, and I think that's what keeps PPF also very clear as well. But yeah, we're gonna do some videos on it. Again, don't forget to check out Scorpion Coatings, and again, link in the description below. I hope you liked the video, guys. Stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching. Take care.